I watch the Food Network all the time. Ree Drummond, the pioneer woman, made some pumpkin scones that just looked delicious. The question was, could I make these scones without the wheat, the dairy, and the egg? The answer is yes. I've made these scones for many hungry friends and I get rave reviews. Why not try them for yourself? The ingredients are GF Joules, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, non-dairy butter, pumpkin, egg replacer, I'm using Bob's Red Mill today, and Cheri's HazelCream. For the eggs, use 2 tablespoons of Bob's Red Mill mixed with 4 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm going to prepare the wet ingredients by mixing together the pumpkin, the Cheri's HazelCream, and my egg replacer. Now I'm going to mix together the dry ingredients. Mix the gluten-free flour, brown sugar, baking powder, and spices. Now I'm going to add in the butter. It's chilled and I've already sliced it into small cubes. Cut in the butter using a pastry cutter until the mixture has small bits of butter. Now I'm going to mix these 2 bowls together, the wet pumpkin with the flour. I'm going to start mixing using this utensil, but I'm going to switch shortly to a much better tool. And here we go! My better tools! And it's like magic. I now have dough. If you have kids at home, you might want to let them do this just because they get to get their hands all dirty. I'm going to transfer this to my baking sheet. At this point, the number of scones you want to make and the thickness is up to you. You just need to adjust your cooking time if you make really thick, tall ones. I'm going to make it as square as possible because I want the scones that come from the end to look as good as the ones in the center. Now I'm going to slice this dough into the scone shapes that I want. I'm going to make a diagonal cut on each one. Now is the time to make adjustments if there's any shapes you don't like. We're going to bake these at 425 degrees for 25 minutes. Once they're baked, let them cool before applying the icing. Sift the sugar and combine it with coffee and melted butter. Spread the icing on the scones. Enjoy them for breakfast or with afternoon tea. It's a taste of fall.